Morning, everybody. We've started a project here in the heat of summer, and we can only work on it till maybe 11 at the latest because it just gets too hot. And I'm going to show you what that is. I come out about 6 every morning, let the chickens out, and feed the girls, the goats. But I'm going to show you over here what we've started and kind of what we're doing and preparing for. As you can see here, we've got a frame started for our bucks we're getting soon. The buck house is roughly 6 by 9, I think, and that will hold a wether and 2 little boys, so I think it's plenty big enough. On the front of it here where I've got it extended out, as you can see on these boards here, it's going to be a little porch area, and it will be covered with a roof. That way they can lay out here on the porch or whatever. And so basically it's going to be a metal building, not so much different than the chicken house. Up here on top, it will have a roof come down at an angle, and I'll probably have an opening in it somewhere in here. We have got too many roosters. I'll probably put an opening in here so I can open it and put feed in and what have you. As hot as it is this morning, I think probably we're only going to get maybe a couple hours in. So anyway, here we go. As you can see, we've used treated 2x4s for our post. The reason being, and I don't know how it is in your area, but around here, you can't get a lot of treated lumber. So we're taking what we can get and working with it. We only need one.
Right.
Okay. We only need one right in the center.
So 85 and 3/8.
Yeah.
Bye-bye. See you later.
Right here. Just gotta go all the way to the top.
Did you want anything hanging over out front at all?
How much we got there? About.
We have about 42 and a half inches.
Okay guys, we're going to call it quits for today, but as you can see, I got everything covered up here with tarp. We're going to be fighting the rain for the next few days, I guess. But anyway, we got fence up. When we first started the buck pen, I hurt my eye, so we had to stop on the, I think we was only done with the first part of the fence. Now we've got 3 sides done, and we are in the process of building this buck house here for the goats, and this last part of the fence will connect to the buck house. So, but we're gonna call it quits for today, and if we can in the next few days finish this video up. Just depends on the weather. Anyway, I guess that's the things you deal with. So we're gonna sign off. Thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate it. Have a blessed day, and we'll catch you later.